Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 14th of November. And first of all, national news. Process of Delhi University admissions through spot allocation to begin from November 20. 61 kg gold seized by customs, biggest one-day catch at Mumbai airport. PM Modi to attend three key sessions at G20 summit in Indonesia. Flaunting arms banned in Punjab's big crackdown on gun culture. Delhi High Court allowed Tamil Nadu Medical College to increase intake of students in NEET UG 2022 counselling. Heavy rain alert in Tamil Nadu. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin visited affected areas. Ban on 5 products of Ramdev's Patanjali revoked. Uttarakhand amends order. Not befitting ex-Chief Justice on accepting Rajya Sabha seat. Will send back empty EVMs. Gujarat villages demanded train for votes. Soon, Noida pet owners to pay Rs 10,000 fine if animals injure anyone. Fake CBSE 12th date sheet 2023 is circulating on social media. Board clarified. Collegium system for appointment of judges can be approved. Former Chief Justice of India, T.S. Thakur. Delhi's air quality improved slightly, still in very poor category. Drones from Pakistan border more than doubled. In 2022, Border Security Force. Ship carrying detained Indian sailors handed over to Nigeria, says Minister. And now some international news. In latest gap, Joe Biden thanked Colombia instead of Cambodia for hosting Asian Summit. G20 ministers launch billion-dollar fund to tackle next pandemic. Joe Biden said US, Japan, South Korea more aligned than ever on North Korea. An entire Spanish village is on sale for rupees 2.1 crore. Two fighter planes collided during US air show. Boost for Biden as Democrats retain control of US Senate after key polls. Elon Musk to attend G20 business meet in Indonesia virtually official. Tears of happiness in Ukraine village after liberation from Russians. And now some sports news. Asian Championships, Shiv Thapa signed off with silver after sustaining injury. Pakistan faced risk of suspension by International Hockey Federation. George Russell notches up first F1 win as Mercedes boss Brazilian GP Sprint. Mukesh Ambani entered race to buy Premier League giants Liverpool, a report said. England defeated Pakistan, became two-time T20 World Cup champions. Indian women's team won gold in Asian Airgun Championships. Sri Lanka to host 2024 Men's Under-19 World Cup. And now news related to business. No plan of changing inflation target of 2 to 6%, RBI Governor Shakti Kantas. India's October inflation seen falling below 7%, RBI Governor. Industrial production regained momentum, grew 3.1% in September. Pace of urbanization in India not matched by infrastructure development, RBI. 9 of top 10 firms add rupees 2.12 lakh crore in market valuation. HDFC Bank tops the charts. Patanjali Foods recorded 31% fall in Q2 net profit to rupees 112 crore. Apple launch beta upgrade for 5G services on devices. Now news from science and technology. India's first private space flight ISRO Mars return. NASA's Capstone CubeSat to arrived at lunar orbit. Personalized cell editing used to treat cancer patients, a study set. Debris of NASA shuttle that crashed 37 years ago found at bottom of Atlantic. And let's have a look on temperature of New Delhi. The temperature of 14th November in New Delhi will reach to 29 degrees Celsius at daytime and will drop to 17 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.